Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into E-Trade retirement account, secure access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the E-Trade website URL in the address bar. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the login button. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Find the section labeled Retirement Accounts. Click on the link or button for Retirement Accounts. Now, you will see fields for entering your credentials. Input your username in the designated field. Proceed by entering your password in the next field. Double-check both entries to ensure accuracy. Look for the Login button on the page. Click on the Login button to access your account. If your details are correct, you will be taken to your retirement account dashboard. In case of an error, recheck your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password securely. After logging in, ensure you're on a secure network. Use the tools available in your account to manage your retirement investments. Always log out when you finish your session for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.